Yeah, I'm trying to get to that middle rock. But
Do it.
watch out. You should just put your foot in. It's ridiculously cold. What's up with these flies?
There's a lot of them, yeah.
I can't go any further.
Oh, come on, just do it.
Dude, put your foot in and see how fucking cold it is. Come on, Allison, how cold is it?
It's cold, but I mean, it's better in spring.
Let me show you how it's done.
Let me feel it.
I can't deal with it.
It's not, I mean, yeah, it is. It's like, the first second is okay, and then, oh, whoa, I see what you mean. To put your feet in that, yeah. Oh, ridiculous.
Alright, Todd, 1 foot. Not too cold for you yet? No.
You getting on that rock?
Yeah.
Sweet.
Did you film it?
Yeah, I'm filming it.